On YouTube. Good morning, Cyber Dead. Good morning, everybody. Oh man, okay, I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good right now. I got my Dunkin' Donuts coffee. I just read this awesome thread on Twitter. Follow me on Twitter. It's the thing I just most recently retweeted, and it got me excited. So, good morning. Yeah, just passing time. I'm now live on YouTube. Tom, Robert, good morning. Hamid, good morning. Let's see. All right, yeah, live on YouTube. So I need to fix something up real quick on YouTube. Okay. Have a good day, you two. Thoughts on Solana? I'm a little nervous about Solana right now. I think it needs time to cool off, and it might underperform for the rest of the month. Hello, the bored surfer, and another day. I don't have Twitter. Could you give me a brief, please? Adam, on-chain analytics look great. That's all I'll say. On-chain analytics look really good. Nobody panicked yesterday. The long-term holders didn't panic. People added to their portfolios. So, all right, Del Kessie bought the dip yesterday. Was it a bad choice? No, it was a good choice. And it's even to the point where I'm wondering how close we are to the bottom. Hello, mate. Yeah, Jojo, I did some research on vector space and I bought some. I bought about $1,000 worth of VXV. So I still need more information, but one thing that convinced me was the supply, 15 million supply. So hello and respects from Sydney. Okay. All you need to say, Adam Walsh, great. So did you do any more research on Solana? I've done plenty of research on Solana. I love it. I'm just a little, for the rest of the month, I'd say buy other cryptos. So Solana is like Dogecoin. What? Hot cross, don't know enough. How do I convert my crypto to stablecoin? It just depends on the platform. What's up, Smiles? And I can already tell it's going way too fast right now, the chat. So what's up, 251 Granny? Hex, I have Hex. I'm a little nervous, but we'll see. Bitcoin at 44 or even 42. Yeah, and we're at 45.8 right now. So it's like, sure. Can you explain more about the post you just tweeted? Here's the thing. On-chain, things look solid. So, Resh, yes, buy. Hey, what's up, Mitchell? On-chain, things look great. So, people added to their positions yesterday. Yeah, chat goes from 0 to 100. I am live on YouTube, and I will respond to every question on YouTube. So, good morning, slice of butter, yes. And Albert, good morning. September bull market or bear market, I think it's just going to be flat or maybe even a little higher for the rest of the month. Will quant dip eventually, but not anytime soon. Hello, Hudson Heights. Hello, Sully. What's up, Sully? Bought 1K XRP. What's your opinion? I think that's great. Yeah, you just got to be patient because of the SEC suit. What will Bitcoin hit in October? An all-time high. So have you seen how many crypto experts are claiming they predicted this dip? Me and Crypto Weatherman's the only one who actually saw it call it, and the blockchain backer on YouTube. You should all subscribe to him. Good morning from Texas. When will Polkadot do like Solana? Eventually, maybe. I like Solana more. Good morning, Nicole. Thoughts on Quant? Quant's a beast. It's huge. It's killing it. So, do you think Bitcoin will drop to 43K? Maybe. But I don't see it dropping much more than that. Thoughts on ETH flipping Bitcoin? Yes, it will. I think in 2022 or 2023, maybe more like 2023. Smiles, I didn't get to see Suitor. No, I looked up, I did research on VXV yesterday and this morning. So Quant 1K this year? I think so. Bitcoin nearly hit 44K. Jose, I saw it hit like 44.2 overnight or something like that. So what NFT to buy? I don't know. Buy Solana now or wait? I'd say wait. Crypto Whale, oh, please Bitcoin hit 100K because I would love it if Crypto Whale deleted his Twitter. That dip was terrifying but holding strong. Nothing we haven't seen before. That's right, Sully. You know that. Thoughts on SEC suing Coinbase? I haven't heard about that. That would be a bummer. So Quant or Solana, if you picked right now, I would say Quant. How low will Litecoin go? I mean, maybe in the 150s, but I'm not sure. So ready for a double bottom? Maybe. we look at how aggressively that dip got. What's up, King Kush? Well, look at how aggressively that dip got bought up yesterday or overnight. Overnight, it went down to 44.2. And again, for those of you on TikTok, there's no way I'm going to be able to answer all of your questions or read all your comments. Follow me on YouTube, World War Bitcoin. What's up, Dean and Bance? World War Bitcoin on YouTube. What's up, Crypto Hustler? And I am able to read all the comments there. So I know ICP sucks, but what are your thoughts about it for this cycle? I'm very bullish on ICP, but I hate it. So yeah, September bear market or bull market, flat market, crab market. There we go. Crypto Hustler. Okay. What app can I use for calculating PE ratio, price earnings ratio? If you're talking about stocks, just go to Yahoo Finance. How high can VXV go? 100, easy. I could see it doing similar movements to Quant. I'm excited to have bought some VXV today. But Jojo, it's like, listen, VXV wasn't on my radar. Yeah, no, crypto, I don't know how to do PE with crypto. VXV wasn't on my radar until a couple weeks ago. And then I finally did research on it today. So you want to hear my, you really want to hear my thoughts on it? I'm not an expert on VXV. I'm still learning. Garlinghouse had a reply to Brian Armstrong's tweet about SEC and Coinbase, said, welcome to the party. Okay. Should I switch some of my ETH to Litecoin? I would not. ETH is my number one right now. So, all right, Shannon, I'm putting 1K in today. Where would you recommend to put it in? Ethereum and Litecoin. More Ethereum than Litecoin. CEO of Coinbase said the SEC told them if they went through with releasing their 4% APY on USDC. Oh, Grant, I did see that. Yeah. And so I like to post on Twitter. That's a real bummer. But honestly, like there's 4% in USD coin. You can do so much better on other platforms. So could Bitcoin go back to 53K before end of September? It could. Yeah. But yeah, Merity, I think it's just going to be a crab market for the rest of the month. So it'll be flat. Wallet's bleeding heavy right now. Just hold, Lankster. Don't panic. The fundamentals are solid. Follow me on Twitter and read the most recent tweet that I just retweeted. Are we going to see a double bottom? The longer we're in this range here, the less likely I think we are to hit a double bottom. The on-chain analytics are so bullish right now. I am so fired up. I'm telling you, I'm fired up right now. I want to hear about VXV. So I'm still learning, Shannon. It's like, is it a company? It doesn't seem like it's a project, but it's an actual company with partnerships with like NASA and stuff like that. I'm still learning. The thing that got me excited about it was looking at their price compared to their tokenomics. Yeah, some coins are pumping. Algorand is pumping right now. I wouldn't be surprised if Algorand hit an all-time high sometime soon. So some 2x leverage trade open in their 50%, minus 50%. Don't do leverage. Oh my goodness, don't do leverage. So just back to 15K at end, so it'll be pretty flat, barely negative month in October, all-time high. Yes, Merity. Yep. How long do you think next bear market could last? I think we're going to peak. I think Bitcoin will peak in December. And yeah, Crypto Hustler, I see what you're saying about Weatherman. He does pay attention to on-chain, but he is more of a technical analysis guy, and that's not my strength. So I'm more with him on short-term things, but I'm more confident in my long-term and medium-term ability to see what's going on. My predictions have been prophetic. Thank you. When will we go back up? Crab market, rest of the month, October will be good. So where to buy VXV? I bought it on Uniswap. I bought $1,000 worth of VXV and I paid $65 in gas fees. So, the gas fees suck, but whatever. I'm in. ICP, Solana, good. Time to get into. Not Solana, but ICP, yeah. All right. Oh, how long do you think next bear market could last? It could be just as long or maybe a little shorter. Till the next halving, I agree Celsius is much better. I think SEC does not want high APY on major platforms like Coinbase. Not good for banks. With you on that. Coinbase is planning to offer staking on ETH in the future. I thought they already did. I did not know that. Am I a lunatic? Sorta, yeah. Yeah, I think Bitcoin's going to hit 63K in October. What are we thinking for HBAR? I'm still saying $2 this cycle. Do you know why Algo is pumping? I think it's due. It's been due for a while, so there's no news that I know of. XRP end of month and year, XRP around where it is now for the month, but early 2018, I could see it hitting $8 to $10. Some people think it's going to hit much higher than that. Why can't I buy anything with Bitcoin? Give it time. Bitcoin is 12 years old. Quant long term, 5 figures this decade. Matic too late to get into? No. Will you be here even in a bear market, even if the bear market will be 2 years? Jojo, I am planning on continuing to churn out content. I'm not sure about what kind of content I will make. I don't know if I'll go live every day, but I'll probably go live a fair amount. I'll do a lot of research and I'll share my research with people. But yeah, I'm going to keep doing stuff. So let's see. Hope alts won't bleed much more. We'll see. I mean, I think we're close to a bottom. Also, didn't we bounce off that 20-week SMA or whatever? Yeah, Merity. Why did you say on TikTok it could go back down there? Just, double bottoms happen often. So it's one of those things. Price prediction on quant. I don't do price predictions for quant, but this decade, 5 figures. And again, for those of you on TikTok, there's no way I can respond to every question on TikTok. The chat is way too hot. Go to my YouTube channel, World War Bitcoin on YouTube, and ask me a question there. I can respond to every question there. So Rowan and Sift Chain, I have no idea about what those are. Solana price prediction. I need to revise my price prediction. I predicted $200 in July when Solana was $20. And I didn't expect it to get to $200 in September, which it got to exactly $200. So I hope that my prediction is not right, but I need to reevaluate there. Mike, hope the channel grows taller than the redwoods in California. Thank you. Thanks, Chase. Rosa, YouTube, I don't know what you're saying, Chase, but okay. This cycle means what month? I think Bitcoin will peak in December. Where do you hold most of your coins? I'm very, very spread out, but I am mostly on Voyager. I was mostly on BlockFi, but they kept on lowering their APY, so I transferred it to Voyager. What happened yesterday? Watch my 4 most recent TikToks. What are your thoughts on? Wait a second. Let's see. Cardano, ADA, Litecoin. What's the best option to buy? In my opinion, Litecoin, between Cardano and Litecoin, yeah. Thoughts on Kusama? I like Kusama. I mean, I like Polkadot, and I like their partnership with Kusama. Yeah, Vision Seeks. Wait till there's 1,000 people here. Be careful. When you see 1,000 people in this live stream, be very afraid. Okay? So I have not checked out FET. Sorry. Coin of September. Orabi, I have no idea what the best performing coin. If it's a crab market, I could see something like Quant doing very well. Maybe even VXV. So VeChain buy now, yes, yeah. Thank you, Brian. CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap. I prefer CoinMarketCap. I have not checked out FET yet. Sorry. Best alts for rebound percentage increased. Litecoin. I've been saying Litecoin. Why is Voyager better than the rest? Low fees. Very sleek platform. Manny, man, I'm very afraid. I am so fired up right now. I want you to know that I am fired up. And if you want to know why I'm fired up, follow me on Twitter, WW Bitcoin on Twitter, and read the most recent thing that I retweeted. Okay, so news on Algo. Yeah, no, just Algo. It's Algo's turn to pump. So that's why. And again, for those of you on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube. I cannot answer every question on TikTok. It's way too hot right now. But YouTube, I can. So, Hannah, thank you. How much will Litecoin... Wait a second, let's see. Even though I bought before and I'm down 15% now, I don't regret it. All good, Merity. In December, it won't matter that much. I'm with you on that. Thank you, Hannah. How much will Litecoin be at the end of the year, you think? I think in January or so, it'll peak at like $1,500 to $2,000. Are you still waiting for Bitcoin to go to 44K to get in altcoins? Beep, boop. That's a great question. What's my YouTube? My YouTube is World War Bitcoin. What am I buying on this dip? Litecoin and Ethereum. And I bought some VXV today. So great question. Here's the deal. The longer we trade sideways every day, like I'm sorry to say this. I didn't share this with anybody because I didn't want anybody to panic, but I sold some Ethereum at $3,700 and I sold some Ethereum at $3,900. I sold and I sold about 11,000 of those, and now I'm easing my way back in. So every day I'm adding to my position. And will I wait until it gets to 44K? No, I'm gonna keep adding. But if it gets to 44K, I'll put a lot more in. So from Israel, hello Chupsek, God bless you too. So would you transfer from Coinbase to Voyager? No, don't transfer from Coinbase. Well, I don't know. You get returns on Voyager, so maybe you should. Go live with Pablo after 40 minutes. He doesn't want to go live with me. I'm his daddy. So how about API 3? Don't know enough about that. ETH price end of 2022. That's really tricky. Maybe $10,000. Maybe it'll peak at 15 or 20,000 and then go down to 5,000 and then go back up to 10,000. When will we go back up? October. Let's see. Why do you like Litecoin so much? Watch the TikTok that I made on August 26th about Litecoin. It's going to outperform Bitcoin on the way up 2 to 4x. So I'm very bullish on it. Is it a good entry now? I would enter in on Litecoin for sure. Do you think the market is manipulated by whales? Yeah. I mean, no, sorta. It's like, with leverage, yes. They want to make the most amount of money possible. But it's all good, man. This is gonna settle itself out over time. No question for me. Just wanted to say thank you, VidMaker. Thanks a lot. What do you think of Bobby NFT Marketplace on NFT? On BSC. I haven't checked it out, but the gas fees, the fees, I'm sure are very low, so that's great. Are we going lower? I think we're close to the bottom, but I could see us going a little bit lower. YouTubers hit the like button. Thank you, Board Surfer. What crypto would be the best to get in as a first timer? Ethereum, or Bitcoin, one of the two, and do as much research as possible. And again, for those of you on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube. There's no way I can answer every question on TikTok, but I can answer everyone on YouTube. Look up World War Bitcoin. Tim McLeod, shut up. What do I think of Lucky Buddha NFT? I haven't looked into it at all. When will the correction end? I just think it's going to be a crab market the rest of the month, but October is going to be great. Are December and November good months? Yes. In October too. 44K ETH. You mean Bitcoin? Yes. Another day. Yes. Thoughts on Hex? I don't know. Let's check out where my Hex balance is for those of you watching on YouTube. I put in $500 in Hex in December, and it's ridiculous. It's ridiculous how much my Hex is worth. So, and will it be worth zero one day? I don't know. But all right, $17,805. I turned $500 into $17,805, and it may one day be worth zero. I don't know, but I'm staking it till 2025. I'm not going to remove my stake. So I find you over here, brother Sean. Hey, thank you, Nazar. Thank you so much. Unfortunately, I really don't know much about PokeSwap. I'm sorry, but thank you for that gift there. Will VET be $1 by December or more, 50 cents? Probably closer to 50 cents. I think altcoins will mostly peak in when? Altcoins will mostly peak in January or so. So Solana, how much to put into it? I'd stay away from Solana for the rest of the month. Are the lower 40s coming? They could, yeah. XEC, don't know about XEC. If double bottoms happens, will it be quick like yesterday? I think, no, I don't think it will. So no Lambo Sambo. What's up, Samson? Where's my Duncan? Right here. Here's my Duncan. Solana prediction for 2022. I don't have one yet. I haven't updated my prediction. I predicted $200. So it hit $200 last week or this week. So I need to revise my prediction. What do you think will happen if the government decides to regulate crypto? For the United States government, crypto will survive. I think short term, yeah, it would be bad, but crypto will survive. And think about this: Goldman Sachs, Chase Bank, et cetera, they want regulated crypto. They don't want it to be the wild, wild west. I think if it's regulated fairly, which I could see that happening in the United States, they'll just hey, we want our money, we want our tax money. But if it's regulated well, or not well, because the United States won't do it well, but if it's regulated fairly, then those companies will get, Wall Street will get in pretty heavily. Did you say that you think 44K Bitcoin is the bottom? No, not necessarily. I think it's more so that 44K is where I'm going to be pretty heavy in buying. Any tips on tax evasion? No. Why would people something, Hannah? Solana predictions, I already answered that one. All right, if XRP wins lawsuit, can it reach 4 figures in a couple years? I don't think 4 figures. I think that's crazy. Why would people want him to duet with Pablo? Oh, you lost big time because of Pablo. Kept talking about 20s. Yeah, man, sorry about that. Cardano, buy or not? Hold off on Cardano. What's up, Samson? Yeah, that's my boy. Do you think ETH will break because of all the NFT hype? No. Well, all right, here's the deal. I could see ETH going further down for the short term, but listen, the gas fees, sorry, not the gas fees, the tokenomics of ETH, they're changing so dramatically that I'm so much higher, that it's going to be so much higher. So too late for quant, not necessarily, no. Thoughts on Polkadot? I like Polkadot, $200 a cycle. Richard Hart says Hex can go to $1 million per coin. That's insane. That's ridiculous. I don't like Richard Hart. Still DCA quant ETH, yeah. ADA prediction for December, $8, maybe January. AMP prediction, $1. I missed your quant something. I missed your thoughts on quant. Good time to buy, yes. Yeah, ADA buy or not. Hold off on ADA. Don't understand how alt season works. Doesn't the whole market crash when Bitcoin crashes? No, Grant. So Bitcoin peaks, and then it's like, ooh, was that the peak or not? We'll see. And then all of a sudden, all these alts are pumping, and we're still wondering if Bitcoin has peaked or will it continue to go higher. And while altcoins pump, and then Bitcoin crashes and everything else crashes, and that's the end. So 14 September, new iPhone, I really don't care. Let's see. Even tax evasion tutorial coming. No, Yodavert. RLC and CTSI thoughts. I don't know about either of those. Thoughts on AMP? Yeah, I mean, I love AMP. AMP to $1. XRP dot or Solana. Thoughts on Phantom? I don't know enough. I keep mixing up Phantom and FTTX, but yeah, I don't know enough about Phantom. How do you stake coins? I made a video about Pancake Swap. Pancake price prediction $100 at least, 3 figures. Go to pancakeswap.finance. That's the easiest one in my opinion. And check out my YouTube video on that. So would you recommend selling if I am positive and buy when it goes lower? No tactical mofongo. We're close to the bottom in my opinion. VXV, again, I've done a little bit of research, very bullish on it from the research that I've done, but trust me, like my opinion on VXV should carry very little weight for you because I've only done a little bit of research, but I put $1,000 into VXV today. So when do you expect the bear market to start? Sorry, Cryptos, maybe unplug your headphone and plug it back in. I've heard that, but bear market to start 2022, sometime in 2022, maybe mid or early. Thoughts on Coinbase possibly being sued by the SEC? I think that's going to prevent Coinbase from doing the 4% with staking. Wondering if I should put 20,000 in XRP or Litecoin. Why not both? 10,000 in each, if that's what you're looking for. Better buy quant or AVAX. I would say quant. Why don't you like Richard? Seems to be an honest guy, a bit cocky, because he's cocky. And he thinks Bitcoin's going down to $10,000. And it's like the lack of, he's stuck with his rules with Bitcoin. And he's really cocky about it. And it's like, no, Bitcoin is not going down to $10,000. Pay attention to on-chain analytics, Richard Hart. VeChain and Harmony is possible $1. Possible, yes. I'm not sure. You can buy HBAR on Voyager. Use my referral code ALE749. ALE749. You get $25 of free Bitcoin, and you'll skip the waiting list. What will happen next? Bear or bull? Crab, and then bull. When do you think the next bear market will start? Early to 2022 or mid? Is now a good time to buy Solana? I would hold off. What do you think about Avalanche? I don't own any. I haven't really interacted much with the platform. I've heard good things about it. The FET don't know enough, sorry. Theta, $50 or so. PancakeSwap APY for staking is insane. What's the catch? Brian, it's just the more people stake, the more it will go down. That's how it works. And so that's the catch. But they burn a lot. Their supply is increasing, but it'll stabilize. So Litecoin prediction, $1,500 to $2,000. So, and again, TikTok. I'm live on YouTube right now. I cannot answer every question on TikTok, but I can on YouTube. So head over to World War Bitcoin on YouTube. So how to become a millionaire, buy and hold, acquire assets. Hello for the guys who didn't sell yesterday when the dump started. Do you think it's going to be better to don't do anything? Yeah, don't sell. Keep the coins, wait until the market gets bullish. Where did you buy your VXV? On Uniswap. Welcome to the VXV family. Next up, ALBT. There we go. Yeah, maybe. What do you think about parabolic signals views? I don't know. You know, I made a video calling out Virtual Bacon for selling the bottom. And then I saw in that comment section that he was like, but that's not the bottom, bro. And I was like, I didn't respond to him, but it seems very clear to me that that was the bottom. Of some of the top NFT gaming coins, are you bullish on any of these? In general, I'm bullish on Chili's, Engine, and Mana. Yeah, I am, because gaming with NFTs makes a ton of sense. Link short-term flat, but it'll go up, and I do think it'll go higher, and $200 by the end of the cycle. So yes, I did say Theta $50. You can buy VXV on Uniswap. Not staking, earn interest. I'm not sure what you're saying, Young. Do you think we'll touch 50K with Bitcoin again, and dip one more time, or go down lower one more time? I just think it's going to be a crab market for the rest of the month. Which coins do you recommend to buy besides ETH and Bitcoin? Litecoin right now, Quant, Chainlink, long-term XRP prediction. I'm just saying $8 to $10 this cycle. Algo's doing well. Yeah, Gabriel. Hey, what's up, Bob? XRP prediction $8 to $10. Do you think we will get retest of the bull market support band? Maybe. Listen, on-chain looks awesome right now. ICP, I hate ICP with the heat of 1,000 suns, but it will go higher. So what do you think is the bottom now? I believe 42K, if not less. I think 42K would be the absolute bottom. You are a snitch for having people undercut each other. Not sure what you're saying. Google me, but okay. Matic, yeah, Matic's worth it. Yep. How high can VRA go? I don't know what the price is right now, but definitely higher. In the bear market, there won't be many users, so PancakeSwap could get like 200% APO. Maybe, Merity, maybe. But I'm gonna sell all my cake at the end of the cycle and then try to find a good bear market price. Pray for Bitcoin. AVAX, don't really know enough about AVAX. I mean, it looks good. I don't own any. I haven't really tested out the profit. Next bull market, early 2023. No, I think that's going to be the middle of the bear market. What price to buy in more XRP? I think now is a good time. Thank you, Tactical Mofongo. Dogecoin to the hill? Sure, yeah. If you only invest in one except from Bitcoin and ETH, what would it be? For short-term gains, it would be Litecoin. Long-term, it would be Solana or Quant. I love HBAR. Let's see. Which YouTuber did you say to subscribe? Blockchain Backer, Jacob. Blockchain Backer. All of you should subscribe to the Blockchain Backer on YouTube. Is Quant not close to topping this cycle? It just depends. You know, when's the cycle going to end? I think we still have some time. So I think Quant can go higher, you know. What's up, 911? VeChain to $1. Thoughts on Helium? I'm very excited about one day owning a Helium miner. And I do believe in the project. So I could see, I would recommend it. Let's see. Let's assume with a budget to invest 100 on a biweekly invested basis, Bitcoin, Ether, Quant, Ethereum. It's always, my answer is always going to be Ethereum. VET to 80 cents, I think that's possible, yeah. You think we'll be hitting 64K again by November? No, October. Would you sell any of these now, Matic Maker, Cardano, or XLM? No, I wouldn't. If you buy cake in a bear market and stake it, you would increase your position by more than 4x. Yep. You could go turn 40x turn 20K into like 800K. It's possible, Merity, honestly. It's possible. I have $500 to spend now. What should I buy? Some Ethereum and Litecoin. Will there be another dip or buy now for Matic? I mean, I could see it going a little bit lower, but I'm very excited about buying at the prices right now. So what coins should you keep before the cycle ends? Before it ends? All of them, really, but take profits as you see things go up. So loading the boat on Riot, that might not be a bad call. Will ETH go to 100,000 one day? Yes. I do think that ETH will get to 10K. It's not about the gas fees with ETH. Sorry, it's about the tokenomics. TikTok noob slipping. I'm not going to read that. What do you think Litecoin price December? I think in January it's going to peak. I don't think a bigger dip is coming. I mean, I think we could still go down for sure, but not that much. I think it's going to peak in January between $1,500 and $2,000. Thoughts on Crow? Very bullish on Crow long term. I think like 50 cents or so. Love Crow, love Crypto.com. Crypto.com, Binance, and in KuCoin. And to an extent, Voyager and Celsius. I like all of those. I love platform coins. I have not converted my Bitcoin to ETH. What do you think next for Solana? Crab market. Thoughts on BTT? I don't like it. Anything that Justin Sun has touched, I don't want anything to do with it. Hold or through bear or DCA out all holdings and buy back in. DCA out and buy back in. What crypto exchanges do you recommend? Voyager. I would say BlockFi, but their returns keep decreasing. They don't have many options. Crypto.com, Celsius. I like Trust Wallet and MetaMask as well. I have all of them. Hope you already. I haven't ordered my miner. I'm hoping, Sophia, that it'll speed up. The production will speed up during the bear market. So Phantom, I don't know enough. VRA, I do like VRA. I like Theta more. QTUM prediction, I don't have one, sorry. Let's see. You're welcome, Shannon. Great. Will Quant be another deflationary asset? And maybe not deflationary, but they do have a limited supply. Do you think from Crab from here another dip? I would lean more towards Crab until October. Thoughts on Luna end of bull run price? 100. Why not ADA right now? Just because it's been way too hot lately. And who knows about September 12th with so smart contracts supposedly launching, you know. That could, it doesn't appear to be a buy the rumor, sell the news type thing. But, you know, I don't know. Did I cover VeChain? I mean, I've been saying VeChain to $1 for a while now. I still think so. I won 1 ETH. Should I take profit along the way? My instinct is just hold. For ETH, I would say hold. Yeah. Cryptos. People ain't asking how you are. I'm good, Cryptos. Man, I'm doing really well. What coins should you not be holding after the cycle ends? I'm only holding Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Chainlink, and HBAR, and some quant. After that, I'm selling everything else. So also love platform coins. I have not staked any Crow. Yeah. So that's true. Yeah, thank you, Gabriel. How confident are you with the stock to flow model? I'm pretty confident. I don't think it's perfect, but I think it's a guide. And so I like it. And I could see it being very close. Are you meant to DCA in bull and bear markets? DCA on the way up, sell a lot on the, you know, at the peak, and then DCA in bear markets too. Yeah. Thoughts on Elrond. Elrond is pretty aggressive with their tokenomics. So I'm bullish in that regard, but other than that, I don't know enough. Vet prediction by December or January, $1. As an ADA holder, I'm scared for the 12th. Yeah. What should we buy short term? Quant, Ethereum, Litecoin. No Algo. Yeah, Algo too. Algo is a good buy right now. I think that Algo has some room to go up. It's hot today, and my number one rule is don't chase green candles. But I did not. I sold some Ethereum at $3,900, 3 bud. But I think that Algo still has some room to go higher. I answered that. Quant is Noah's Ark right now. Okay, thoughts about selling Crow at the end? I'm going to sell all my Crow at the end. Zilliqa, price prediction, $1, $1.50. I think people saying $5 are crazy. Yeah, I do follow Mason. I really like Crypto Mason. He's a good guy. Binance coin prediction, 1,000, 1,500, maybe even 2,000. DGB, don't know enough, sorry. Some creepy YouTuber tried to tell us Bitcoin would crash to $10,000. I disbelieve. Bitcoin is not crashing to $10,000. The very bottom for Bitcoin forever, until the next halving, is going to be the 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level from the 2017 top, which is $30,000, that it won't have a weekly close below there. So Binance coin, yeah, I answered that. Safe Moon to the moon. Safe Moon might be dead. What do you think about VeChain? I love VeChain. I didn't sell any coins yesterday. I sold them the week before. I sold $11,000 of Ethereum. So limit orders of 43,500 for Bitcoin and 3050 for ETH. Good idea. I think that's good. You know, I think it's definitely within the realm of possibility that that'll happen. I like selling them a little bit lower than where I think they'll go. So, but if you see things pump, set new limit orders. Thoughts on AMP to $1? Will Solana go near 200 again? I think so, yeah. What's your expected Bitcoin price end of the year? $200,000. Opinion on ETH? Shall I buy it now? And price prediction end of the year. Listen, I think ETH is going to $15,000. And ETH during the bear market, ETH might not have a bear market. I'm telling you. Thank you for those gifts, Elite on the Beat. ETH, they may peak at 15,000 and then go down to 5,000, and then throughout the bear market just rise like crazy, because we're going to have a major supply crunch in ETH. So Mask, don't know enough. Crow thoughts, Crow to 50 cents or so. AST still cheap, don't know enough about AST. IOTA, I don't have a price prediction on IOTA, but IOTA is going to exist for a long time. Shiba might be dead too. 200K Bitcoin, LOL, I don't think so. Okay. Come back when it hits 200K. So you guys don't understand. Those of you laughing about that, you don't understand. You don't understand how Bitcoin works. I would do research on halvings, the halving cycles, and come back to me when you see it at 200K and tell me you're sorry. Or not, don't apologize, but tell me, hey, I was wrong. So thoughts on Vitalik? He's fine. I like Vitalik. Retail seems to be losing interest in Bitcoin, going to alts without Bitcoin ETF crash coming. No. Supply crunch with Bitcoin. All right, Ali, whatever. Maybe, all right, if I'm wrong, maybe it'll go to like 180,000. Bitcoin's going to six figures. I'm very confident about that. Shiba Inu a decade from now. Will Shiba Inu exist a decade from now? That's a good question. Litecoin, very bullish on Litecoin. XRP, HBAR, Matic price prediction. $8 to $10 for XRP, $2 for HBAR. Matic, $8. Max ETH. No, I did not say that. I think ETH is going much higher. So Farm, I don't really know enough about Farm. Will the peak be in December or January? It could be, for a long time I was saying November of this year, sometime between November of this year and May of 2022. It could go to May of 2022, or maybe even later than that. So Bitcoin at 31K, no. What do you like about Litecoin? I made a video on August 26th about it. Check it out. And again, for those of you on TikTok, I cannot answer every question on TikTok. Follow me on Twitter. Go to my YouTube channel, World War Bitcoin. Ask me a question there. I will gladly answer any question that you have there. So Bitcoin could not just go to 150K, 200 to 280 also possible. It's possible, yeah. Harmony to $1 by December. I don't know where Harmony is right now, but possibly. Think back to when Bitcoin was 3K and everyone thought it was too expensive. That's ETH right now. Don't miss out again. Yep. Mask is a social coin, allows users on social media platforms to send crypto and interact with dApps. Okay. Will ETH in the future surpass Bitcoin? In market cap, yes. What's the symbol above my name? I don't know. Matic, $8. When is that? Have a good bag. At the end, maybe January or so. No one is in stream like these saying buy Bitcoin. It doesn't matter. Institutions are buying Bitcoin. What are they buying? They're not buying Matic. They're not buying Quant. They're buying Bitcoin. So, and again, supply crunch. We are running out of Bitcoin on exchanges. Long-term holders have reached an all-time high in the number of Bitcoin that they own. They own 13 million of the 21 million Bitcoin that will ever exist. Only 18.5 million Bitcoin have been mined. They are adding to their positions. We're going to see a major supply crunch soon. Are you still aiming on making $1 million this bull run? I'm aiming at $1 million. I could see it going higher though. I love Bitcoin, ETH, Binance, Link, Solana, HBAR, Quant, VeChain, Dot, Sushi, Near. I like those all. Farm is a yield optimizer in DeFi. I think, yeah, Farm, that makes sense. HBAR thoughts. Yeah, there's millions lost there's like 2 to 4 million lost forever. HBAR thoughts. I think HBAR is going to $2 a cycle. It's a long-term hold for me. Who owns 13 million? One entity? No, that's people who basically are like diamond hands with Bitcoin. So what do you think is going to happen with some of the influencers in the bear market? I don't know. They're probably, all their views are going to go down big time. So I'm going to stick with it. Theta prediction, $50. Again, for those of you on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube. Follow me on YouTube, World War Bitcoin. And I can answer every question there, but not on TikTok. Yeah, Theta, $50. Litecoin price timeline. at the end. I could see. I think it's going to go like that and then crash really hard. What is Litecoin's tokenomics like? It's 4 times the amount of Bitcoin. 84 million Litecoin will ever exist. They have 4-year halvings, just like Bitcoin. So it's kind of like digital silver to Bitcoin's gold. So, all right, see you, Ali. Check with me at the end of this year. Cool, man. And you know what? If I'm wrong about $200,000, I'm not wrong about 6 figures. So have fun. I hate XRP. That wasn't me. That's somebody. I'm reading a comment. Solana will go down to 95. I don't know about that. Satoshi Nakamoto thoughts. I mean, I don't know. Who is he? You know, or is it multiple people? XRP sometimes feels like a distraction of Bitcoin. Maybe. Harmony to $1 December. Maybe. I don't know. I don't know what Harmony's price is right now. So biggest regret in crypto. I mean, I got in 2013. I wish I got in earlier, and I wish I put in more. I decided, like, I had a choice in 2013. Do I start a business? Do I go all in starting a business, or do I go all in on crypto? And I decided to go all in starting a business. I don't regret that, but I wish I just put some of that money into crypto, more of it into crypto. I put some in, but I wish I put more. What do you think will pump in October besides Bitcoin? Everything. Thoughts on Telcoin potential, or I should say not everything, but top 50 coins, maybe other things. Don't know enough about Telcoin, honestly, but there's somebody I follow on Twitter, Trader360. He's very bullish on Telcoin. You think Solana will eventually be accepted or used as ETH? I mean, it's a competitor to ETH. So when do you expect official bounce back to 50K? Maybe not the rest of this month. So Litecoin prediction. $1,500, $2,000. Cake D pancake market dominant. Cake compared to what? I have no idea, Marcus. Good time to buy Litecoin right now. Maybe a little bit now. Wait a little bit though. Think Solana gonna hit a new all-time high? Yeah, eventually. Chainlink prediction $200. Satoshi's probably dead. You know, what if he's that guy? Man, I'm blanking on his name. The one who died. Sorry, I'm gonna keep going on. Polygon prediction $8. Can you explain the 4-year halving? Jose, you don't know about the 4-year halving? Every 4 years, the amount of Bitcoin that gets mined is cut in half. The most recent halving was in May of 2020. So the next one will be in probably March of 2024. Why don't you like VXV? I like VXV. I didn't say anything about VXV not liking it. If you would have had $50 billion Satoshi, you would probably sell live a nice life. Yeah, I'm intrigued by that, Merity. What's your views on Content Toss? Don't know enough about it. HBAR, why long term? What do you think it'll peak at? I mean, I could see it this decade, double digits, maybe even triple digits. So I don't have time to answer why HBAR long term, aside from, you know, it's a hash graph. It's not a blockchain crypto. It could be the Bitcoin of the hash graph, you know, so lots of potential there. Telcoin is making some deals and hiring people in rural Nebraska. Yeah, I've heard a lot about Telcoin in Nebraska. Took my profits in Cardano and bought Litecoin. Bad move? Nope, not a bad move. Satoshi is a live IMO. Okay. What's my biggest holding? It's Ethereum. Do you think we will actually have altcoin season or just another stupid meme coin season? That's a good question, Samir. Meme coins seem to not be doing much right now, so I could see us having a legit altcoin season. Thoughts on Ethereum Classic since the dip? I don't touch Ethereum Classic. I'm not a fan. But Ethereum Classic, let's see, 58.29. I think it's going to at least go back to its all-time high of 175. So it's good to buy when things pump. So maybe October, buy some Ethereum Classic. Yesterday I said I didn't like VXV. I didn't mean to say that. Sorry. I didn't know enough about VXV. And I still don't know enough, but you know, Satoshi is not Pablo. Do I like ADA? Kind of. Hal Finney, yes. Young septuagenarian, Hal Finney. ADA's okay. You know, I'm not crazy about ADA. Exit strategy, so you'll sell all alts around January 2022 to USD. How much of your profits will you use over 2022 to 2023 to put back in the bear market? As much as possible, Twisted Thunder Fireworks, as much as possible. So, but around, it just depends. When's the peak, you know? Will quant survive in the bear market? Yeah, I'm going to load up on a ton of quant. Is algo long-term for me? No, I'm going to sell all my algo. You're welcome, Ruben. Thank you. 250 Ethereum Classic. I don't like it either, but it's made me some money in the past. Yeah, sure. Justin Sun, not a fan. He rug pulled Tron really hard when it launched, and it's never gotten back there. How long will it take to mine all of ETH? ETH will never not be ETH. Well, first of all, when ETH 2.0 launches, mining will be done away from forever. But 1,280 ETH will be given per day in staking rewards into perpetuity. However, the EIP 1559 has turned ETH deflationary, so there will be more ETH burning than staking rewards. So Shiba Inu prediction, maybe it's dead. I don't know. Any small coins you can see going big? I'm more of a top 50 guy, Tyler, so not really paying attention to small coins. Thank you, Mystique. Is Hex a scam? I don't know, but I have, 40x or something? I don't think we're in a bull trap, no. Zilliqa, don't know enough. Let's see. How do you think the market would react if Bitcoin ever switched over to proof of stake? It'll never move over to proof of stake. When will ETH stop mining, please? I think they're scheduled to do it end of 2021, but they often have delays, and so maybe early 2022. When is Bitcoin bottom before next push up? Crab market rest of the month. Yeah, Hex might be a scam, but I'm staking until 2025, and I'm not going to remove my stake. Maybe it'll be worth zero. It's either I have $17,000 worth of Hex. I invested $500 in December. I have $17,000 worth of Hex. It's either going to be worth like $1 million in 2025 when the stake ends, or zero. I'm okay with either of them. I would prefer $1 million. Dent prediction, I don't know. I don't know enough about Dent. And Altura is another one. I just don't know enough. But okay, yeah, do my research. I will. Alchemy Pay, don't know enough. Sorry. What sector of crypto would you recommend for the rest of the year? Oh, man, all of the above. But, I'm more of a blue chip guy, if you want to call it that. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin. So have you ever lost in meme coins? Yeah, plenty. But I gained a ton in May during meme coin mania. So when Doge was 8 cents for a few months, I thought it was dead too. What? I didn't. Okay. How high do you think Solana will go this run? I don't know. I need to revise my prediction. Alex, more dip this month. Flat. Crab market. I need to revise my prediction for Solana because I said $200 and it hit $200 even, but I don't think this run is over yet. So IODEX, I don't know enough. Sorry. So where are you holding your XRP? All right, confession time. I have an XRP pegged token. I don't own actual XRP, and I'm holding it in Trust Wallet. Any NFT purchase plans? Not yet. Not really. Another day. Thoughts on peak for Bitcoin being sooner than December? It could. I don't think like September or October or November. So Daniel McBride needs to pay the guy from Hex and adopt to play the guy from Hex. That's funny. Quant predictions. I don't do quant predictions, but higher. Pablo cost me money. Not only you, but lots of people. Can Solana be the next big coin? Yes, but I mean, it's number 7 right now in market cap. Thank you, M888888, etc. Quant price per target, 5 figures this decade. Thanks for that gift. I shorted XRP. Okay. What do you think about Near Protocol? I don't know enough about it. Coinbase Pro, yeah, if you can get Coinbase Pro, I'd recommend it. Will Bitcoin get in the 30s? I don't think so, no. What coin did I get on the dip? I bought some Ethereum and Litecoin, and I bought some VXV today. Do you think Hollow will survive the bear market? Yes. Algo prediction, $7. What do you know about Pi? I mine it on my phone, but will it ever be worth anything? I don't know. So, Chispita, what's that? BTT, not a fan. Anything Justin Sun has touched, I'm not a fan of it. Should I long ADA? Yeah. I mean, I've been saying $8 this cycle. VXV prediction, I could see it hitting $100. Another day, I know another day. Okay, I'm not going to read that. By XRP or Quant, I would say XRP. Thoughts on Doge? And that's just short-term, I guess. I don't know. No, short-term Quant. What do you think about Bacon Dow? Haven't paid any attention to it. Is VXV another 100 plus? I think so, yeah. Blockchain Boy on live yesterday said Pablo He-Man promoted rug pulls 3 times. Yeah, he got paid a lot of money to promote crap coins. So Pablo's king. Yeah, king of fraud, or not fraud, but king of Pablo's not king. I don't even know. I wanted to say something witty there, but thoughts on Doge? I still think Doge is going to hit $1 at least. Dot prediction, end of the year, early this year, $200 or so. Early next year, I mean. T-Bot, don't know enough. Tina, thank you so much. BCH back to 1,000. Maybe. Where to buy VXV? I got it on Uniswap. Pablo sold his soul to the devil. All right. Thank you, Tactical Mofo. Let's see. How do you feel about Jack? Are we still mad at him? Jack Dorsey? Is that who you're talking about? I have no idea what you're asking. Telcoin price end of the year? I don't know. Found me through Pablo. Okay, there we go. 500 in Polygon or XRP? Ah, man. I think XRP will get you a better return by the end of this run. Bacon Dow seems interesting. He's Virtual Bacon on YouTube. Oh, all right, Virtual Bacon. Okay. I like him. Did you get more quant? I have not gotten more quant, no. I'm king and Pablo's the jester. There we go. You think Solana could reach 1K next bull run? Yeah, listen, Solana was $20. And I was saying where ETH is now, Solana will be in 4 years. I think at least 1,000, but probably higher than that. Good time to buy ETH? Yeah. If CPI comes bad, crypto can crash. Or, it has its 20 to 25% corrections. When do you think the bull run will be over? End of this year, early next year, something like that. Pirate Train, don't know enough. Privacy Coin. The more I learn about it, the more I like it. So might start want to DCA back into BCH. Yeah. Who's Pablo? Your life is blessed, if you're going to ask that question. But he got one call right, and everyone worshipped the ground he walked on, and he got that call from 4chan, and so yeah, he's got like 600,000 followers on TikTok. Just pulled bacon out of the oven. You can buy VXV on Coin Metro. Okay. Yeah. Any of you saying Pablo is king? Crypto Rusman. I'm the king. Okay. Whoever said Pablo is king is a bootlicker. I'm reading that comment on YouTube. Monero. I'm warming up to Monero. I told people to stay away from it, but people do use it. That's kind of their go-to for money laundering. Thoughts on Troy? Don't know enough. Pablo should stick to acting. All right, enough about Pablo. But go watch his movie. He was in that recent Marvel movie, Shang-Chi or something like that. I don't know what it is. I haven't watched it yet. I'll probably watch it. I'll be like, hey, I went live with him once. Where did you learn so much about crypto? YouTube, Twitter. I hate to say it like that because it's like, I want to say books. I'd rather say books, but books get antiquated very quickly. The OG jellyfish, I don't know. 138 seems a little low, but what should I buy now? Litecoin and Ethereum. Other than ICP, other than rug pull, my thoughts on ICP, I'm bullish on it. And the project is fine, but yeah, rug pull just really pissed me off. For those of you on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube. There's no way I can keep up with every person here. CVO Crypto. Guys, watch out for CVO Crypto. Now, I don't want to scare anyone, but he has been on point with Ethereum. And because of him, I sold some of my Ethereum at $3,900. And he could see, correct me if I'm wrong, CVO Crypto, he thinks that before launching to the stratosphere, that Ethereum could get as low as $2,200. So don't want to scare any of you, but just be careful. Let's look 5 years out. What's better investment now, AMP or VET? Oh, that is a tough question. Better returns will probably be VET. I'm the Ronaldo of Bitcoin. Okay. I am Portuguese, so thoughts on 360 trade prediction September 2022. Oh, I hope not, Jojo. Oh, man, but it's possible. Theta to December. Theta to December. I mean, I think it's going to peak at around $50. Is it worth funneling crypto to the Caymans for tax purposes? No comment, Matt. I talked to a tax professional. Shiba Inu's rich. Is it ripping? I hope so. What do you suggest for Litecoin? 150 to Litecoin? Maybe like, don't do round numbers like that. Not 150, but like 152. 2200 ain't bad. If it's low, it's low. Yeah. And then after that, it's going to go to the stratosphere anyway. So could DOT not compete with Solana? They're not entirely competitors. But there's a future for both of them. What's the lowest ETH will go? Again, CVO Crypto is saying 2200 before it launches. Abe, great comment there. If ETH goes to 2200, I'll panic buy so hard. Connor, I am quoting CVO Crypto. Here's the deal. He has nailed it. He has absolutely nailed it. You got to follow him on Twitter, on TikTok. He has nailed it with Ethereum so far. And we are mirroring 2017 big time right now with Ethereum. And if we're going to mirror Ethereum, that means that it could go down to $2,200 before launching much higher. So don't get scared. Get greedy at $2,200. Thank you, LSKP. I really appreciate that. How does XRP winning the lawsuit shoot the price higher? XRP has been suppressed. Yeah, who? CVO. C as in car, V as in violin, O as in orangutan, .crypto. That's his TikTok, CVO.crypto. What did you buy today or yesterday? Sebastian, I bought some Ethereum, some Litecoin, and today I got into VXV for the first time. Will ADA ever pass ETH? I don't think so. Has Quant got any direct competitors? Cosmos, aka Atom, is kind of a competitor, but they are somewhat unique. So there we go. Much love. Yeah, CVO Crypto. CVO.crypto. That would be very healthy of ETH to do that. Yep, especially if we want to get close to 10K by the end of the year. There we go. EGLD is faster than Solana. Why is it not pumping? Man, Elrond has pumped a ton, man. It's pumped a ton. Yeah. Oh, girl, not this. It's because I don't know enough about Telcoin. I see your question. Can you please talk about Telcoin? I just don't know enough. All right, Chainlink's a competitor to Quant. There we go. How long do you see this dip going? I think it's going to be a crab market the rest of the month. I don't use Charles Schwab to buy. No. Sorry, late to the live. What's with the major drop? Watch my 4 most recent TikToks, and you'll understand. Would you invest in Atom or Quant? Quant. Phantom. Don't really know enough about Phantom. Doge to $1, unfortunately. What is CVO Crypto Twitter? I don't know. Follow me on Twitter, by the way, WW Bitcoin. Follow me on Instagram, World War Bitcoin. Follow me on YouTube, World War Bitcoin. I'm live on YouTube. He said, be careful with that. I see your point about the limit orders. There's no guarantees that it's going to go that low. So who do you buy through? Voyager is my favorite platform, but I have 10 different platforms, something like that I use. I did not say Doge to $2. I said Doge to $1. Solana end of year. I need to revise my end of year prediction. In July, I said $200. Why all the FUD around Solana? You want to call it FUD? I mean, I'm looking at it for what it is. It's been really hot lately. Now it's time to cool off. Yeah, thank you, Jagil. Yeah. You always say Doge to $1. I do really believe that, and it's just a matter of like Doge. And when at the very end it's gonna spike up to $1 and then crash really hard, or maybe even more than $1. But what should I say about Doge? It's a meme coin. It was literally created as a joke. I bought Doge in 2013, and I got Doge stolen from my wallet on instadoge.net, a GarageBand wallet, and I learned a painful lesson. And I don't believe in Doge, long term at least. But I will load up on Doge in the bear market. Guessing lowest Litecoin will go is 150. Yeah. Thank you, Bamboo. Robinhood sucks. Yep. It almost always is purchased at the current price. Huh. VET or XLM short term? Oh, that's a tough one. I'll say VET. You said you put 1K to what? VXV, vectorspace.ai. Thoughts on SEC probe into Uniswap? Oh, I didn't know they were probing into Uniswap. Lowest quant will go 300, maybe not even that low. None talked about Solana when it was $12. I talked about Solana. XYO, I mine coin on my phone, mine it on my phone, convert it to XYO, and I'm bullish. Assets without corrections are like trees without wind. Ooh, that is a great comment, technically fundamental. And that's why I will probably sell my quant, all of my quant at the end. What's your best bet, Alex? Litecoin and Ethereum. What do you think about Cardano? That's what I think about Cardano. Yeah, it's going to go up. I think $8 this cycle. Has Link pumped like quant? No, Link has been very slow, but it's more stable. So H-bar price drop prediction than bull run price. H-bar is not that volatile in comparison to other cryptos. So I'll say not much lower than where it is now, but $2 at the peak. What do you think about Dogecoin? Dogecoin is literally a joke. Do you buy Bit and ETH and Light through Voyager? I just buy it where I buy it. Yeah, some on Voyager. Best coin to double 500 by the end of the month. You're not going to... I don't have one, Crypto Moon bags. This month, I've been saying since June that September was going to be flat. And here we are. You know, look, we got up to what, $53,000? And now it's like it's flat. So maybe crab the rest of September, yeah. Why are you not holding quant long term? Just read Technically Fundamental's comment there on YouTube. Assets without corrections are like trees without wind. You'll get weak roots. Man, that's such a great comment. Voyager needs to start allowing Ripple trades and Coinbase and lots of other things. Oh no, the sky is falling. Okay, I'm done. I am done with my live stream for now. I'll sell Quant and Solana at the very end. Follow me on Twitter, WWBitcoin. Follow me on Instagram, World War Bitcoin. For those of you on TikTok, you don't follow me, I'm telling you, I've been on point lately. You should give me a follow on TikTok. Somebody follow me on TikTok. Thank you, Nesser Dan. And I think I said YouTube. Follow me on YouTube, World War Bitcoin. I'm going to respond to the rest of, thank you for following me. Jason Cards, Kai Norman, Edgar, thank you. Ayush, thank you. Jay, thank you. Pakistani and who, thank you so much for following me on TikTok. Follow me, subscribe to my YouTube channel as well, World War Bitcoin. And for long term, what do you think is best coin, Bitcoin or Ethereum? We appreciate you. Thank you, Jose. Very end of size. What? Very? You're welcome, Gabriel. Have a good one, VidMaker music channel. You're welcome. Thank you for following me, Frank and G Money X. And Amy Dennis, thank you for following me on TikTok. Thank you all. Much love to you all. Is it worth buying VXV today? I think so, Jaycon. I bought some today, so much love. Thank you, Arang Grandin.